A buddy and me come out here, last year. This trail here is kind of off the main trail, which is up there. He come down here, and I kind of stopped down there because it's always muddy. So I was trying to find a better way to get around there. He was like, "Oh, get out of my way." He just went to stomp. Took 2 steps, man. He was clear up to his ass right there. There's like quicksand right in there. I had to get a stick and help his ass out. He was stuck. I couldn't help but laugh at him. But yeah, it looks nice and soft right in there. Don't let it fool you. Can't walk across it. And no, I'm not going to try it for your amusement. I'm not doing it. Because I already know what's there. Alright, let's grab my pop and go down to the bridge. I still haven't made it down to the creek yet. Up there in Osseo, that little trail up there. Along the back to the river up there. And there was some, I think it's trout. I see some trout swimming around that creek. And that comes clear down here, so I'm assuming that there should be fish in here. We're gonna find out. I know I'm running short on time. I know I'm gonna be late, I already know it. Look at all that. Don't want to step in there, that's skunk cabbage. Yeah, your mama won't like it if you do. Whew. So I ain't seen no signs of mushrooms though. Well, not that kind. I haven't been looking too hard either. Looking a little bit, but not too hard. Like I said, those will be on the other side of that lake though, which I don't have time to look today. There's down wood right here. Might be a spot to look for mushrooms too. Not today. Not sure, but I think tomorrow's supposed to storm, so that's why I managed to get out here today. And we're coming up on the bridge right here. We got some yellow posies. I'm not gonna walk down there either. See them? Oh yeah, probably mushrooms. I'm gonna buy a skunk cabbage. Aren't they pretty? Alright. 6-kilo mission. Let's just get down to the river. Pete, I don't know, I might have to grab your leash. Nah, you can make it. If Pete, you can make it. Let's get across the bridge. Yeah, I'll tell her. She just does it. It's because I like nothing. Oh, it's kind of wobbly. I thought this used to be better there. Oh, maybe not. I think we can go that way. There's some steps. We're going to take a shortcut up the steep little hill. Decisions. That's still kind of steep there. I don't know. Let's go for it, Petey. Oh, you're stuck. Yeah, she got stuck. That's why she ain't running off. Let's go pop down. Ooh, crayfish. Yeah, look at that. There's my fishing bait. Get down there and give me some crayfish. Yeah, it's crawdads. I never even thought about looking for them. Huh. Yep. Anyway, my dog's stuck. No, don't cross it. You're going to fall. I got your leash, dummy. Well, make up your mind. What you do? Stay. There she goes. There. Yeah. First time I ever seen a crawdad out here. Crawdad, crayfish, whatever you want to call them. That's cool. Alright, I follow the dog. Shortcut. Was it worth it? I don't know, my legs are dead. There's where we're getting to. Whew. So why am I walking up here? I don't know. It's that campsite still. Let's go down there and check it out. Just remember I gotta walk this shit on the way back. I could almost fall down out there. I'm out of breath. Oh, that's pretty cool. Gotta check it out. See, this is spring right now. Yeah, this is springtime and the water's still up a little bit. Yeah, they drink more pop. That means I gotta sit you guys down. Let's check it out. There's my dog. Send that camera over. Oh. Boys, I am going to go ahead and pause it for a minute. I'm going to take some pictures. Yeah, I'll try to add them into the video.